Hello there viewers, welcome back to another new video. Turmeric milk is a popular Indian and Ayurvedic household drink that is usually taken before bed for its multiple health benefits. Turmeric is known as the golden spice. It is well known in Ayurvedic medicine for having potent medicinal properties. This video will show you what happens to your body if you drink turmeric milk before bed. Before starting the video, make sure you have subscribed to our channel and hit the bell icon below. Number 1. It improves your immune system. Turmeric milk has confirmed to be actually efficient in building the immune system of the body. The turmeric powder is packed with minerals and vitamins, antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that help strengthen the body's immune system. Number 2. It boosts your brain power. It is proved that golden milk may improve cognitive function. It may also help to prevent dementia by reducing the substances beta-amyloid and tau protein. The accumulation of both is implicated in the development of dementia conditions. Number 3. It improves your mood. It appears that turmeric, more specifically its active compound curcumin, may boost mood and reduce symptoms of depression. Drinking turmeric milk before bedtime may help give you mood a boost. Turmeric can even help alleviate symptoms of depression. Depression may also be linked to low level of brain-derived neurotrophic factor. As curcumin appears to boost the level of BDNF, it may have the potential to reduce the symptoms of depression. Number 4. It burns fat. Turmeric may be an effective metabolism booster. It not only boosts your metabolism but also helps your body digest fat faster. And when you start consuming turmeric milk regularly, it prevents fat from accumulating in the body, making it an effective substance to speed up your diet. Number 6. It purifies the blood. A hot glass of turmeric milk before bed will help clear all the toxins from your body and purify the blood. It helps in detoxifying your body and strengthening the immune system. Number 7. It makes your bones stronger. Turmeric will prevent bone loss in your body by around 50%, and the calcium-rich milk packed with vitamin D along with the half teaspoon of turmeric serves as an effective tonic for your bones. Number 8. It lowers your cancer risk. This is undoubtedly a big claim for consuming turmeric milk. Turmeric acts as a potent antioxidant inside you. Studies show that turmeric can reduce the oxidative stress that produces free radicals inside your body, which can cause chronic illnesses such as cancer. It not only prevents cancer, but it can also fight it. Now, research suggests that when you consume turmeric, it can eliminate cancerous cells, helping stop the growth of tumors. Number 9. It promotes good skin. At last, it not only benefits the physical well-being of the body, but it also helps beautify your skin and hair. Turmeric milk is a great way to heal acne as it has antimicrobial and antiseptic properties naturally. This helps fight acne internally by adding 1 glass of milk into your daily skincare regime at night before bedtime. Here we end up for today. So are you now going to start drinking turmeric milk? Let us know in the comment section below. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, hit like, share and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon below. Thanks for watching the video.